Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I want to come on here real quick because I've been out and about shopping and I want to show you what I picked up. Before I show you, I want to ask you, do you guys remember when I showed you that I made this little guy? My little chick? Anywho, and do you remember me telling you there was a few others? Like, I couldn't remember what they were, but anywho, I did find one more, so I wanted to show you real quick. This is what I picked up. Isn't he cute, friends? Remember I told you there was a little Easter bunny? And this is him. And unfortunately, he was the only one there, the last one there, and I picked him up and I thought, I gotta pick him up and show him to you guys. Anywho, let me show you what it looked like. It came in this little bag, and in this bag comes everything you need to put him together. So let me give you a close-up of what it looks like. Okay, and the only thing that's left is his little eyes and a little bow tie that I did not use. So let me talk you through it real quick. So once I put it all together, what I did was I dry brushed him all the way around, his whole body, his the carrot and his vest, his ears, and I just dry brushed him with Apple Barrel Real Brown paint. And dry brush, friends, just means you're going to use a dry brush without putting any water on it, and you're going to dry brush all the way around to give him some dimension. The other thing I did is on the carrot, I went ahead and used some Jack-o'-lantern orange Apple Barrel paint, and I repainted the whole orange carrot to make it just a little bit brighter. Then, the other thing I did, because it only comes with one piece, I had an extra piece of felt, and so I put it on the felt and drew the pattern to make his backside. Okay, make the backside. So now I have two pieces instead of one. And when I put them all together, I added this cute little ribbon for a bow, you know, because I got to make him dapper. I put them all together, friends. I glued them together, glued both pieces together, and of course, I had a little bit of stuffing. So I just stuffed him just a little bit. And the other thing I did, which he did not come with, is I added this cute little, his little tail here. And friends, I just had a little bit of felt left over, and I just drew a little circle. I did two of them, cut it out, glued it, and stuffed it. And that's all I did, friends. And right when I put them back together, I added this little stick here. So again, he can be a little photo prop. And the other thing I was thinking, friends, if you don't want to use them as a photo prop, you can use them as decor at the house. If you have a little planner, just stick them right on in there for the holiday and make your house look festive. So anywho, friends, I just had to come on here real quick and show you what I found so you can get out there and find them yourself. Either one. There's a third one, but again, they're going fast, friends. They're flying off the shelf. So get out there and find these guys and put them together. Anywho, friends, I hope that I've inspired you to get out there and look for them. And I hope that you guys are having a great day. And friends, don't forget to sprinkle me out, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until we see each other again, bye-bye.
Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer.